Welcome back. Let's answer question 4. Using the number below, answer the following questions. We're given this number. How do you read this number? I've put this number in a place value table. So it is 72 million. We read the millions first, and then we read the thousands. 863,000, then 905. So this is 72,863,905. Then the first question says, what is the place value of the underlined digit? So what is the place value of 6 here? Okay, if we look at our place value table, we can see that 6 is in the 10,000s, right? These are the ones or the units, the tens, the hundreds, and then we have the thousands, then 10,000s, then 100,000s. Okay, right? So 6 is in the 10,000s. That's the answer there. Please take note the difference between question A and question B. Question A says, what is the place value? So where is the 6 in this case? Okay, it is under the 10,000s. But B says, write the numerical value of the underlined digit. Now, this 6, what value is it? Okay, so these are how many? These are 6 10,000s, isn't it? They are 6 10,000s, meaning that this 6 is actually 60,000. Okay, you can even say, maybe start by saying 6 times the 10,000, meaning that 6 is actually 60,000. Okay, please take note of the difference between this question and this question. Right, we are required to round off this number to the nearest 1,000. What do we mean by that? This number, 72,863,905, is between which thousands? Is between which thousand? This 1,000 here, we have the 3 here. This is like 3,905. So 3,905 is between which thousands? It is actually between 72,863,000 and 72,864,000. Okay, let's write them here. You see, this is 1,000 because this number must be a multiple of 1,000. And then 72,864,000. So this number is between these two numbers, 72,863,000 and 72,864,000. So it's nearer to which one? Is it nearer to this one, which is 72,863,000, or is nearer to 72,864,000? How do we do that? You don't need to do a lot of things. Check the number to the right of your 1,000 in this case. Our 1,000 is 3. So the number to the right of 3 is 9. If this number is bigger than 5, we round up. And then if this number is less than 5, we round down. But 9 is bigger than 5, so we round up. So it means this number is nearer to 72,864,000. Okay, let me just give you an example of using another one. Let's say we wanted to round off to the nearest 10,000. Right, the 10,000 here is what? Is the 6. Okay, and then the number next to it is 3. So it means we're going to round down. If we're considering the 10,000, this number would be between 72,860,000 and 72,870,000. Since 3 is less than 5, it means we are rounding down. So it's going to be 72,860,000. That's how we round off. Okay, but our answer for C is this one. And then D, rearrange these digits to create the largest number possible. Basically, you have to understand that for us to get the largest number possible from these digits, we have to arrange these numbers in a descending order. We start with the largest one and then end with the smallest one. So the largest here is 9, then followed by 8, right? That is 98 million. Then we go to the thousands. After 8, we have 7. After 7, we have 6. And then we have 5. So you have 98,765,000. And then after 5, we have 3. And then 2. And then 0. If you arrange these digits in a descending order, you will get the largest number possible.